Want to be financially free by 40? The secret lies in what you do in your 20s and 30s. Stick around as I reveal proven, practical steps you can take right now to build wealth. Hey, welcome back to The Wealth Alarm. If you're in your 20s and 30s, you're in the prime years to start shaping your financial future. This is the time when your financial habits will determine your lifestyle for decades to come. But building wealth doesn't just happen. You need a plan, discipline, and the right strategies. Today, I'll break down clear, actionable steps you can follow to get wealthy, even if you're starting from scratch. Step 1. Understand your financial landscape. The first step to building wealth is understanding where you currently stand. You can't move forward if you don't know where you are. Here's what you should do. Track your expenses. Use budgeting apps like Inab, Mint, or even a simple Excel sheet. Record every penny that comes in and goes out. Know your spending habits inside out. Calculate your net worth. Add up all your assets, cash, investments, property, and subtract your liabilities like debts and loans. Knowing your net worth will give you a clear starting point. Set financial goals. Wealth building without goals is like driving without a destination. Write down short-term, 1 year, medium-term, 5 years, and long-term, 10+ years, financial goals. Maybe you want to save £10,000 in 2 years or buy a house in 5. Be specific and realistic. Step 2. Crush debt. First, debt is like a hole in your financial ship, and the first priority is to patch that hole. For those in their late 20s, the most common types of debt are student loans, credit cards, and car loans. Here's how to handle it. List your debts. Start by writing down every debt you owe, the interest rates, and the total amount. Choose your strategy. 2 effective methods. Avalanche method, pay off debts with the highest interest rates first, usually credit cards. Snowball method, pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins, then move to bigger ones. Whatever you do, avoid high-interest debt at all costs. Once you're debt-free, you can fully focus on growing wealth. Step 3. Live below your means. If you want to build wealth, it's crucial to spend less than you earn. Many people in their late 20s fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Here's what you should do instead. Stick to the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, rent, food, bills, 30% to wants, entertainment, travel, and 20% to savings and investments. Resist unnecessary splurges. The latest gadgets, expensive cars, and fancy dinners may be tempting, but they won't help you build long-term wealth. Delayed gratification is key. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers into your savings and investment accounts as soon as you get paid. This ensures you pay yourself first, not last. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Before you even think about investing, you need a safety net. An emergency fund will protect you from unexpected expenses like medical bills or job loss without going into debt. Here's how to build it. Save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Start small, but aim to have this cushion built within a couple of years. Keep it liquid. Store your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. It's not for investing, just for easy access when life throws you a curveball. Step 5. Start investing early now, the exciting part growing your wealth. The best way to build wealth over time is through investing. Here's a step-by-step on how to get started. Max out your retirement accounts. If you're in the UK, make the most of your workplace pension scheme or personal pension plans. In the US, this would be your 401k or Roth IRA. Contribute enough to take full advantage of any employer match. It's free money. Invest in index funds and ETFs. Index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are low-cost, diversified options that give you exposure to the entire market. You don't need to be a stock-picking genius. Just put your money into these vehicles and let compound interest work its magic. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into one asset class. Consider stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets for a balanced portfolio. Avoid timing the market. Instead of trying to time the market's highs and lows, focus on asterisks, time in the market asterisks. Stay invested and let the long-term growth work for you. Step 6. Increase your income. Building wealth isn't just about cutting costs, it's also about boosting your earnings. In your late 20s, you should start thinking about ways to increase your income streams. Here's how. Invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in your skills. Consider taking courses, gaining certifications, or even learning a new skill that could raise your earning potential. Whether it's coding, graphic design, or leadership, the payoff can be immense. Start a side hustle. This is a great time to explore freelance opportunities, consulting, or building an online business. Side hustles can bring in extra income that you can funnel directly into your investments. Negotiate your salary. Many people in their 20s underestimate the power of negotiation. When starting a new job or at your annual review, don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. Even a small raise can have a significant impact over time. Step 7. Adopt a long-term mindset. Building wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. To be successful, you need patience and discipline. Here's what to keep in mind. Focus on long-term gains. Don't get caught up in day-to-day market fluctuations or the latest get-rich-quick scheme. Building wealth takes time. Reinvest your earnings. When your investments earn dividends or interest, reinvest them rather than cashing out. This accelerates the compounding effect. Stay consistent. Stick to your budget, continue investing, and avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Consistency is the secret to long-term wealth. There you have it, the complete guide to building wealth in your late 20s. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time you give your money to grow. Don't be discouraged if it feels slow at first, the results will compound over time. Now take action. Review your financial landscape, set your goals, and begin crushing your debt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future wealth building tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.